Okay, hello psychology students. I am going to try and show you how to make a graph out of your Google Forms survey data that you've gotten. So here we are looking at my sample Google Forms survey about pets and their mood. You can tell right here, my research question is, do pets improve your mood? I think overall pets do improve your mood, but my hypothesis says that may depend on the type of pet or the number of pets. So I've gotten 20 responses. So I'm going to go to this responses tab right here at the top. Once I click that responses tab, I've got a lot of charts here, but these charts won't actually be helpful for me in the questions that I want to answer. This just compiles the charts for each individual question. Like, sure, 75% of people like their pets, but that doesn't actually help me figure out anything about their mood. So we need to gather a little bit more data in Google Sheets spreadsheet. So to do that, I click right here, View Responses in Sheets. That will take me to Google Sheets, and it gives me a whole spreadsheet with all the data from each one of these surveys that have been taken and submitted to me. Each question will have a different column. So my first question was, how many pets do you have? And people told me how many pets they have. And then it was, what type of pets do you have? And they told me what type of pet they have. And then, do they like their pets? On a scale of 1 to 9, how do they feel when they are around their pets? And on a scale of 1 to 9, how do you feel when you are not around your pets? So the first thing I want to do is I want to pick two different variables that I want to test with one another. Again, my research question was, do pets improve your mood? So one of my variables should be about somebody's pets. The other variable should be about their mood. When we talk about independent versus dependent variables, right? The independent variable is whether or not you have a pet, or how many pets you have, or what type of pet you have. The dependent variable then, the variable that depends on what pet you have or how many pets you have, is your mood and how they report their mood. So I'm going to go back to my spreadsheet. I'm going to say, okay, let's look at this and let's say, well, what type of pet do you have? That will be my first variable. And I want to see what people's moods are based on what type of pet they have. So I'm going to pick this first question, what type of pet do you have? I'm going to click on the title, the letter right here for that question. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to copy it. What I need to do is create a new sheet. So I'm down here in the bottom left. I'm going to click this Add Sheet button. It's going to give me a blank spreadsheet. I'm going to retitle it Type of Pet, which is my first variable, versus, we're going to say mood when around your pet, which will be my dependent variable. So I've already, again, copied this column, so I'm going to come back to this new sheet that I created, and I'm going to click on this A1 box, this first box right here, and I'm going to paste the information I just got. Look, all that's right there. That's perfect. The next thing is I need to go back to the form responses and pick my second variable. My second variable is going to be this question. On a scale of 1 to 9, how do you feel when you are around your pets? So I'm going to figure out, okay, what's their mood when they're around this type of pet? So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to click the column letter. I'm going to copy that whole column. I'm going to go back to sheet number 2. And then I'm going to do the same thing, but in column B. In column B, I'm going to then paste this new column I got. Great. So I've got the two things. What type of pet do you have? And on a scale of 1 to 9, how do you feel when you're around that pet? Our next step is to make a graph out of this data. So as you'll note on the sheet that you've got, it says you could find a correlation coefficient that says, okay, how correlated is this data? How correlated is it showing, like, well, every time I have a dog, I have a better mood, and every time I have a fish, I have a really low mood. But the problem is that Google Sheet won't do this for us if any of the information is not numbers. So all this is text. So we can't find a correlation coefficient because it's not numbers. So we're going to skip that, and we're just going to make a graph and try and look at it visually.